Ever wonder how your phone predicts your next favorite song or how games have smart characters? That's artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is about teaching computers to learn and solve problems, much like humans do, often through a process called machine learning, where computers find patterns in data. The people behind this tech are AI and machine learning professionals, creative problem solvers working in fields from healthcare to entertainment, finance, and self-driving cars. They're not just coders, they're scientists, engineers, and innovators, roles like machine learning engineer, data scientist, and AI researcher. Their goal? To use data and algorithms to build intelligent systems that make life easier, safer, and more interesting. AI professionals are shaping the future, tackling real-world challenges and opening doors to endless possibilities. To become an AI creator, curiosity is your superpower, always asking why and how. Persistence is key. Building AI means facing tough problems and learning from failure. You'll need a solid grasp of math, especially linear algebra, calculus, and statistics to understand how AI works. Coding is essential, and Python is the go-to language thanks to its simplicity and powerful libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Problem solving is at the heart of AI. Break big challenges into smaller ones and think creatively. Teamwork matters too. AI projects are built by groups who share ideas and skills. With curiosity, math, coding, and collaboration, you're ready to start your AI journey. Ready to dive in? Start by building your math foundation. Resources like Khan Academy make it easy. Next, learn Python through hands-on practice on sites like Code Academy or Free Code Camp. Don't just watch write code, make mistakes, and learn by doing. Once you're comfortable, explore beginner-friendly AI courses on Coursera or edX, like Andrew Ng's machine learning specialization. Apply your skills to real projects. Try building a model that recognizes cats and dogs, or predicts song genres. Use platforms like Kaggle for datasets and competitions, and join online communities to share and learn. Practicing on real problems is where you'll grow fastest. Every project brings you closer to becoming an AI practitioner. AI is already part of your daily life, from voice assistants to personalized playlists and smart cameras. It powers tools that make life easier, like Google Maps and email spam filters. The most important skill? Staying curious and always learning, because AI evolves fast. Embrace change. New challenges and opportunities are always ahead. By learning AI, you're not just preparing for a job, you're helping shape the future. Your skills could tackle big issues, from healthcare to climate change. Be curious, persistent, and collaborative. The future of AI needs passionate minds like yours.